Today we'll be talking about mapping and function, as you've seen on the board. Mapping and function. Now I have one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many. That's the four type of mapping that we have. Now I will be mapping this to show you how it is being done. Now, even before that, I must state this, that we have, this is called our domain, this is called our codomain. Otherwise, it is also called the input and the output. It's also called the object and the image. Now, let's talk about the mapping now. Since this is one-to-one mapping, so we have this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this. That is 1, 1, 1, 1. That is what we call one-to-one mapping. Now let's talk about one-to-many. We have this to go to this, this going to this, the same 2 going to 10, then this going to this, and this going to this. This is what we call one-to-many mapping, right? So this is 1 here going to 9, and the same 2 going to 9, and the same 2 also going to 10. That is 1 going to more than 1. When we have more than 1, we'll call it many, right? So this 1 going to many, 1 going to many. Now let's talk about many to 1. We have now you can see the difference, right? This is 2 going to 1. This is 2 going to 1. That is what? Many going to 1. Many going to what? 1. That is what we call many to 1. Now on the last part, where we have many to many, this is this one here. We also have 4 going to 6. I have 4 going to 7. This is a perfect example of what? Many to many. This is 1 here going to this 2 here going to 6 and 7, and we also have 4 going towards 6 and 7. That is a perfect example of what we call many to many. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye.